Hi and welcome to Swedish Plant Guys. In this video we give you 5 quick tips on repotting your indoor plants. And these tips will apply to almost any type of indoor plants. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. That really helps our channel a lot. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos. Tip number 1. Always wait for a repot a few months when you have a new plant arriving at your house. Now the reason for that is that you don't know if that plant is stressed. It can be stressed from standing at the shop. It can also be stressed from the move from the shop to your home, or it can be stressed from being moved from the greenhouse a couple of weeks ago. So when arriving to your home, wait for that repot until you see that it's producing new leaves, or that it's in other ways showing you that it's feeling good. Then you can repot. But as always, the perfect time for repot in the year is always the beginning of spring, when most plants are getting ready to grow because of the increase in temperature, humidity and daylight. Tip number 2. Always use drainage holes in the bottom of the pot. It's very common that plants get killed from standing in water. By using drainage holes, you get rid of that excess water and you're helping your plants. So if you have drainage holes, either use an outer pot or use a saucer underneath your pot. Tip number 3. This plant needs to repot. Now when you do that, always go up 1 or 2 sizes of a pot. What I mean by that is make it a little bit bigger. And don't make the mistake of getting a too large of a pot. Now the reason for that is that if you replant in a too large pot, what happens is that all of that soil around the roots will be moist for a longer period of time before they dry out. And that can potentially harm the roots of your plant. So always go up 1 or 2 sizes in the pot. Tip number 4. When you repot, take that opportunity to mix in some type of substrate that will help you get good drainage. By mixing normal standard planting soil with, for instance, pumice, as we have here, or perlite. By mixing that with soil, you're helping that soil to get better drainage. And you're basically helping the roots to grow stronger. Now, if you want to know more about different types of substrates, we have a video you can go and watch to get more information. Tip number 5. When you repot, make sure that you keep the plant in the same level in the new pot as in the old pot. Never cover the stem with soil when you're repotting. Have the same level as before. Because what can happen if you cover the stems with soil is that they can get damaged and potentially rot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps our channel a lot. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Hit the bell as well so you get a notification every time we put up something new. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram where you can get sneak previews on upcoming videos and sometimes a little bit more. Now until next time, hej då!